how to create Hugging Face account. Want to dive into the amazing world of AI and machine learning models? Hugging Face is a fantastic platform to explore, share, and build. First things first, you will need an account. Let's get you set up quickly. Now open any browser you like. Here I am going to use a Chrome. Simply tap on it. And once you're inside, head over to the huggingface.com by typing huggingface.com or Hugging Face AI. It's over here. Let's tap on it. And this is how it look like. Let's go to the website. Now you can see 3 straight line in top right corner, which is over here. Tap on it. There you will see an option for the sign up. Simply tap on sign up. Then after that, you will be asked to confirm that you are human. Simply tap on begin. Let's finish this one. Then you will be asked your email address and password. Simply fill them up. After filling them up, simply tap on next. Now fill this form over here. Write your username, maybe this one, and a full name. You can also upload your avatar, but it's optional, so I'm keeping it as it is. And even more, you can add Twitter username, GitHub username, LinkedIn profile, homepage, and AI or ML interest. For now, let's keep it as it is. Then after filling all of them, simply tick this one. And if you are worried about the confidentiality, please read the terms of use and code of conduct, which is over here. And if you are happy with this, simply tap on create an account. Then you will be asked to generate your avatar. And over here you can also see an option for creating it by the AI. You can see it over here. If you tap on it, you have to fill it out, and if you tap on this dice, it will help you to create one. Let's say this one, and tap on this one. Let it make one for you. Okay, so this is it. If you like it, you can save this one, and if you don't like, you can again roll the dice. I'm happy with this, so I'm tapping on set as avatar. Tap on create account. After making your avatar, they will send a confirmation link to your email address, so you can see it over here too. Let's go to the email and confirm it at first. So here you can see a link. Simply tap on it and confirm your account. Then you will be asked to log into your account. Simply fill up your credentials over here. Tap login. And you can see my email has been verified successfully. That means I have successfully created my Hugging Face account. And now we are ready to explore the models, datasets, join the community, and start our AI journey. Welcome to the Hugging Face. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.